Welcome to DASGeek. Today I want to share with you something that might change your life. It may get you off of your spouse's hate list, especially if you have like a honey-do list, because now you can have fun while completing that list for the first time and, like a video game, get experience, get points, level up, and all of the things that make video games so much better sometimes than real life can be. The folks at Habitica created this app. It's available on your iOS device and Android, and it allows you to track daily chores so that you can level up your character, go on battles, join taverns, and all kinds of fun stuff within here. So if you find yourself procrastinating on all those tasks that you have to do, whether you're in school, college, work, whatnot, then you can utilize this app to help you out. It has some nice, friendly, non-intrusive reminders throughout the day, generally once or twice, to say, hey, you want to complete those tasks that you have on. And I've actually found it to be quite motivating, and it's pretty fun at the same time, which is very, very cool. So you can look at this list here, and I knew I was going to be doing a video, so I didn't put all of the things that I would normally do on here, but this kind of gives you an idea of some of the tasks that you can set up. So you have, if you look at the bottom section here, you have habits, dailies, to-dos, rewards, and of course your menu system. And up here at the top is my character, and you can go through a character creation, just like any good MMORPG or RPG has. You have health and you have experience, and you'll generally lose some of your health if you're not completing your task, so that could end up making you dead. And over here, you've got some points that you can use to upgrade items, which we'll look at, and some points that you can buy through the store. Although I'll tell you that this is one of the most non-intrusive, no ad apps that I found out there, which makes me love it even more. They really don't push their stuff on you. You can do a lot of this for free, which makes me want to give them money even more so, because they're one of the few apps that actually aren't inundating you with constant ads and nonsense and things like that. So here you have your habits. And I have upload YouTube video. It's something I do every day, and so I can go ahead and check that off. And you can see as soon as I do that, I get some experience. I can find items, treasures, like potions, etc., like you saw pop up there. Research any topic. We're all about filling our brains, so I try to research a topic, whatever it is, doesn't matter. It could be about bees or anything I saw through the day for 20 minutes, so I learned something new. So I can click that because I accomplished that this morning. 10 minutes of cleaning. You can see that's yellow. It probably stays yellow most of the time. Eat healthy or junk food, so you have a plus or minus there. So if you get some junk food, you got to hit the minus button. If you eat healthy, you can hit the plus, and again, you earn that experience and that gold. And then 10 minutes of cardio or whatever exercises or things that you want to add in. You could do this for work. It could be completing meetings, completing tasks that you have. You could do this for really anything that you're wanting to build habits out of or create a to-do list from. So one of the sites that I've used previous to this a lot was OneNote, but this is way more fun than OneNote. So there's definitely some advantages to OneNote, but for some of the things you have more fun with, or that you may have a hard time getting the motivation to complete, this is perfect. Now here we have our dailies: work on a creative project, which I completed, learn something new, trim epic beard, you see, and not so epic nose hairs, because as you start getting older, you start getting hairs all. So I added that one in there because, you got to keep yourself trimmed up for the ladies, right? Stretching, got to get that in there. Sometimes I sit in this chair all day long, especially when I'm on conference calls, and I need something to remind me to get up and stretch and move and get out of this seat. So those are some things that I have set up. There'll be a lot more that I'll do. And then you have to-do list, and then you have your rewards here. So you've got all kinds of things that will pop up as you level more and more. So I have a training sword right now, so I might want to grab a real sword. I have a wooden shield right now. I do need some armor, and I have 38 of these health points here, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. I spent my 30 gold, and now my dude is rocking some leather. And I can go in here in the menu, and I can go to customize my avatar, where we have all kinds of options for customization, beards, mustaches, etc. You can have pets, you can have mounts, just like you would in World of Warcraft or something along those lines, which makes it very, very cool. And so you can see it automatically equipped that leather armor once I purchased it, because I didn't have anything else, but you can get equipment for your head, back. You can get costumes as well that you add into here. there's so much stuff, and this is the pet that I have, so you can unlock pets and get wolves. And the only thing area I found where you can buy something, and I'm gonna have to hunt for it to find it here, because pretty much you can gain most of the stuff. Let's see, hatch with potion. Maybe we can get a dragon going here. But there was an area in here I thought you could buy things. Oh, the background. The background is the only area you can see the gems icon is 0 that I found where you can unlock things for money. And these are backgrounds that you can have for your character. So certainly consider, since they're so unobtrusive and not asking for money in ads, buying some backgrounds from these guys. I certainly will be doing so. So you've got your rewards. You even have some social aspects, because what RPG is great without having some social? So you can go to the tavern here, and in the tavern it's just basically a message board. Why is that so hard? Come on, brain. So basically you just have a message board here, and you can talk to people, read their comments, etc. So a little bit of fun there, and it actually stays pretty full of comments and people talking. You can create a party, so you can see my party number there. You can pause it right now, and you can add me to your party if you like, so we can do some runs together and team up. And so then you have your guilds, which when you join a guild, you can join a public guild or a private one, and they have suggested guilds and things for you here. So it really has everything you could want from an MMORPG, but to level up in this, you have to do stuff in real life, which makes it motivational and really cool. So Habitica, very cool app. Go check it out. I think you're going to enjoy it as much as I have. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like this video if you love it, and I will talk to you next time.
Don't get subscribed. Does not like the video.